Hi everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, it's kind of fun. So as most of you guys know, I am pregnant. I'm almost 27 weeks pregnant, and we are, I guess you could say, team green or team yellow. So basically, we're not going to find out the sex of the baby until the baby is born. We did that with our first son, and it was such a good experience, so we decided to do it again. But I wanted to just film a video on like old wives' tales, like gender predictions, because I thought it would be fun. And no means are we like trying to like find out what the baby is, or are we taking this super seriously. It's just for fun, just to, you know, get a couple of laughs and do a couple of experiments together. So that should be fun. I have on my phone a couple of different tests that we're doing. So we're doing the ring test, the Chinese gender chart, the eye test, which I've never heard of before, the baking soda test, the Mayan system, and then the last, like the swirl of your last child's hair. So yes, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Do you want to say something?
No, I think you covered all the bases.
By the way, for those of you that don't know, this is my husband, Michael. He doesn't come out in like too many of my videos, mostly my vlogs here and there, but you know, this is my husband. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. We'll start with the baking soda test first, and then we'll move on to different tests. Okay, so for the baking soda test, it says to add equal parts of baking soda and my pee into a cup. And if it fizzes or sizzles, it's supposed to be a boy. But if it stays flat and nothing happens, it's a girl. So let's check it out. Okay, so I'm gonna do 2 of these spoons of baking soda. And then I'm gonna do 2 of these spoons of my pee. I'm not really sure what's happening there. Is it staying flat, you think?
Yeah, it looks like it.
It's flat? It kind of looks like it stayed flat. So if it's flat, it's supposed to be a girl. So first test says girl. So the Mayan gender predictor and the Chinese calendar are very similar to each other, where, you know, it's like you combine 2 things and it comes out with like a gender.
The results.
Yeah. Okay, so the Mayan gender prediction says to compare the age of conception and the month of conception, and it would give you the gender. So if you have an even month of conception and an even age, or an odd month of conception and an odd age, they're girls. But if you have even and odd and either one, it's a boy. So I was 29 years old when we conceived, so that's an odd, and then the month was June, so it was an odd and an even. So it says here that it's a boy, so we'll see. So boy, and then girl with the baking soda test. So 1 and 1. Alright, now for the Chinese gender chart, that one predicts your age of conception and then the month of conception, and it comes out with, you know, a number. For our firstborn, it said it was a boy, and it was right. We'll see with this one. So again, it was in the month of June, and I was 29. So wait a minute, it's really confusing. So June 29, is that it? Right? I was 29, yeah. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so the Chinese gender chart says it's a girl. So we got 2 girls and a boy.
Seems like it's gonna be 50-50 across the board, huh?
Okay, so one of the other predictions is based on your last child's like swirl, like their hair swirl. Like if it goes one way, it's a gender, and if it goes another way, it's a different gender. So if it goes clockwise, it should be a girl, but if it goes clockwise, it's a girl, but if it goes counterclockwise, it's a boy. Now, no, I'm sorry.
That's backwards.
If it's clockwise, it's a boy. If it's counterclockwise, it's a girl. So, Michael is not here right now, so you guys can't see it, but I looked at it earlier and it went this way, so that's
well, they'll see it backwards.
Okay, but we did it clockwise, right? It was clockwise?
It was clockwise, yes.
Okay, so that means it's a boy. So
well, where's yours? You and your sister.
We're not doing that gender. We're doing this
well,
one.
I'm just saying. Yeah, all of my brothers just goes clockwise. So yeah, that's right. Except for Josh.
And you guys are 4. They're 4 boys.
And Josh is the other way actually.
And Josh is the youngest. So they don't know when baby number 5 would have been. Yeah, so Michael's earlier we checked and it was clockwise, so it's supposed to be a boy, so
2 and 2.
2 and 2. Okay, so for the eye test, this one says look deep into your eyeballs. If you have a V or Y shaped vein on the bottom of your left eyeball, it's a girl. If it's on your right, it's a boy. If it's on both eyes, it's either twins or a girl. So let's find out. All right, you ready to look? I brought this big old mirror in case you wanted to see with something, I don't know, something closer or something, or...
How would I see with that?
I don't know. Maybe for me, I guess, huh?
Yeah, just pull your eyes, go like this. I see a V on this side.
Ooh, my eyeballs are getting dry.
I don't see anything on this side. I see...
You see a V on this side?
I see a V on this side.
Okay, so that's my left eye.
So you want to look at it?
Okay. Woo! Okay, so... Where do you see a V?
You got... First of all, look up. Put your head down and look up.
I don't see a V. Maybe because I don't have glasses. Oh, wait, no, I can't see it. Is that right there?
Yeah, that's a vein.
Yeah, I guess that's a V, huh? Okay. So let me put my glasses on because I can't see.
Left.
It's my
Your
left eye.
Yeah, your
my left. So if it's a left, it's a girl. So 3 girls and 2 boys.
All right.
Okay, so the last test is gonna be the ring test. Basically, he just kind of dangles. Well, doesn't dangle. He just puts my wedding band on a necklace or a piece of string and puts it over my belly, and depending on what way it goes, it's either a boy or a girl. So if it goes in circles, it's a girl, but if it moves like back and forth, it's a boy. So I'm gonna lay on the floor to do this, so yeah. Okay. All right, go for it. Top of my belly.
All right.
Don't move it, just
do I drop it or just?
No, you just leave it there.
Stop.
Don't touch,
okay.
Just leave it.
Don't touch it?
So if it's in a circle, it's a girl. If it's back and forth, it's a boy.
What if it doesn't move?
Oh no, what happens if it doesn't move? It's kind of moving. What's it doing?
It just moves. It's there. I think my hand's too straight.
Okay, you're moving it now.
Well, yeah, I gotta move it some kind of way, or else it doesn't move at all. Hang on.
That looks like a circle.
Yeah. Now it's straight.
Now it's back and forth. I think whatever it ends with.
Are we
right?
Counting at the end?
Maybe try again. See what happens. I feel like, you know, at the end it would automatically go back and forth though. Oh, the baby's moving.
Yeah. Yeah, it's back and forth.
Okay, so you were right, half and half. Okay, so we just finished and it was 3 boys and 3 girls. So oh no, that's what we're having. I guess we'll just find out when the baby's born.
We're having 3 boys and 3 girls apparently.
That's a lot of kids.
That's as many as you want.
I do want a lot of kids. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was really fun. You guys will have to let me know in the comments below what you guys think we're having. And the ring test, I don't know. I feel like that was kind of like, yeah, like, I don't really know what the answer was. So we zoomed in so you guys could see what the ring was doing. So you guys will have to let us know if you guys think that one was a boy or a girl. We kind of think it was a boy, but we don't know. Anyways, we hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, I hope that you'll subscribe and like this video, and we'll see you all in the next one. Bye.